College, Nagar, and our project name is Survey on Hemoglobin Levels in the Different Age Group Students of GDC Nagar. And these are my team members, myself and K. Shyamala, B. Malleshwari, E. Praveen, and G. Sai. These are all my team members. So let me go through the introduction. Introduction of our project. Blood is a specialized body fluid in animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste products such as carbon dioxide away from those same cells. And hemoglobin in the iron containing oxygen transport metalloprotein in the red blood cells. Hemoglobin has an oxygen binding capacity of between 1.36 and 1.37 ml oxygen per gram of hemoglobin. The mammalian hemoglobin molecule can carry up to 4 oxygen molecules. When the diet does not contain sufficient amount of iron, anemia develops. Any person whose hemoglobin level is below 12 mg or blood is considered as anemic, and hemoglobin has an oxygen binding capacity of between 1.36 and 1.37 ml oxygen per gram of hemoglobin. When the diet does not contain sufficient amounts of iron, anemia develop its gradual process and takes several months show up a normal person about 14 to 15 grams of hemoglobin. About 80% of the total anemic cases due to the iron deficiency, and the rest care are due to deficiency of nutrients like folate and vitamin B12, and acid and vitamin B12 are important for the production of blood cells. An adult woman requires 35 to 45 mg of iron per kg body weight or total of 250 mg iron. It plays a major role in the formation of hemoglobin and myoglobin. The values of hematological parameters are affected by a number of factors even in approximately healthy populations. These factors include ages, sex, ethnic background, body build, and social, nutritional, and environmental factors.
Subject 39 female subjects are taken for this study. The subjects were selected among male and female students for rural area, Kagasnagar district, and also from rural area. Blood samples were selected by finger pricking method for determine the hemoglobin level in the blood. We use the Shahi-Heelage test. In this method, blood is mixed with dilute hydrochloric acid. In this process, hemolysis the red cells, disrupting the integrity of the red cells membrane and causing the release of hemoglobin, which in turn is converted to a brownish colored solution of acid hematine. The acid hematine solution is then compared with a color standard. This method is sufficiently accurate for routine examination. Results are recorded both in grams per 100 ml of whole blood and in percent of normal values. Hemometer, test tube, pipette, steering glass rod.
Normal hemoglobin level given by image WHO. Groups gender. Normal HB level 6.6 0.6 to 4 11 grams. 5 to 12 11.5 grams. 12 to 15 equal or above 12 grams. Adult male 13.8 to 17.2 grams. Adult female 12.1 to 15.1 grams. Pregnant women equal or above 11 grams. To compare the percentage of hemoglobin, we take the mean hemoglobin percentage of male and female as well as of the 4 age groups. The mean hemoglobin percentage of the male was 12.2 12.92 grams, and for the female it is 10.53 grams. Male subjects have more amount of hemoglobin than the female subjects. By this, we cite that based on the 6% of hemoglobin varies. The male subjects having more amount of hemoglobin than the female subjects. The mean hemoglobin of the age group 19 to 20 years were 12.92 grams, and the mean hemoglobin of 12.83 grams and 12.83 grams. The age group 20 to 21 years having the more hemoglobin than the other group.
The main reason for having less amount of hemoglobin due to by taking improper diet and some habits like smoking, because iron is an important component of hemoglobin. Consuming iron rich foods will raise the hemoglobin levels. Most of the subjects are having the healthy level of hemoglobin which is given by the WHO, but some of the people are having very less amount of hemoglobin than normal health hemoglobin levels, so they were anemic patients. The main reason for having less amount of hemoglobin due to by taking improper diet and some habits like smoking, because iron is an important component of hemoglobin. Consuming iron rich foods will raise the hemoglobin levels. The iron rich foods like fortified foods, these products include breakfast cereals, pista bread, malted drinks and grains. Animal sources, seafood, poultry, eggs and beef. Plant sources, red kidney beans, lentils, soybeans, black beans, white beans and cowpeas.